Hi everyone, this is Marilynn. Welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, including the playlist. So be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. In this video, I'm creating a set of round coasters inspired by natural rose quartz stone, with luxe metallic details that truly mimic a real stone. These are the products I'll be using today. I'll be using the polyurethane resin for the base, a peel and stick wallpaper in plot twist, the Lumiere metallic acrylic in pearlescent magenta, the Heidi swap foil flakes in rose. For the top coat, I'll be using the T-Expert epoxy resin. These are the coasters I'll be using. And to protect surfaces, I'll be using the Mausoleum rubber bumpers. All the products I'll be using today will be listed in the description down below. So, without further ado, let's get started. So I already outlined the part of the peel and stick that I want to use for this coaster. And I'm going to do this one on camera now. Just choose. I'm not going to use the whole thing. I am going to eventually end up cutting it and kind of like curving it. It's in my mind. I'll get it out there. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one I like. Now that I have the peel and stick already cut out somewhat, my gloves on, and as you know, I need 2-minute work time for the polyurethane, so we need to prep everything before we mix. Okay, they're ready. Now I can just apply the decal. Now it's just a matter of getting the top coat ready and applying some of the flakes. I'm gonna go get them cured. Okay, they're ready. Looks like I have a little bubble here. I'm gonna have to sand it and top coat it again. But overall, very nice. I absolutely love the way they turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to check out all the creators in the Coasting Through the Week collaboration. I'll see you in the next video.